Welcome back to another episode of Everyday English Café. Today, we're going deeper, slower, and a little more magical, literally. We're learning English through ideas from the famous book, The Magic.
Yeah, this book is basically about one powerful thing: gratitude, and how it can change your day, your mood, your energy, and even your results in life.
And don't worry, we're not doing a book summary. We're using the concepts to help you learn natural English through conversation.
So relax, get comfy, grab your tea or coffee, and let's start talking about how gratitude can change your life and your English.
So James, when you first heard about this book, what did you think The Magic meant?
Honestly, I thought it was about real magic, like abracadabra, Shazam, some Harry Potter level stuff.
Of course you did.
But then I realized the magic is actually something super simple. It's the ability to notice what's already good in your life.
Exactly. The book basically says, the more grateful you are, the more life gives you reasons to be grateful.
And I think that's true. When you focus on problems, you see more problems. When you focus on what's good, suddenly your whole day changes.
So today, we'll talk about gratitude, but in a very practical way. Like how to use gratefulness to talk in English, how to express your feelings, how to describe your daily life better.
Part 2 Amperes. Story from real life.
Can I tell you a small story?
Go for it.
So last year, I had this phase where nothing felt right. Work felt heavy, mornings felt rushed, and everything felt like a burden.
I remember that. You were stressed, tired, irritated by literally everything.
Yeah. And one day, I randomly watched a short clip about gratitude. The speaker said, try saying thank you for things you normally ignore just for 1 week. And I thought, okay, fine. What do I have to lose?
And did it work?
Honestly, yes. Not instantly, not magically, but slowly. I started with small things. Thank you for this cup of tea. Thank you for the sunlight today. Thank you for my warm bed. And over time, my attitude changed.
I've seen that too. It's like your brain switches from complaining mode to appreciating mode.
Exactly. And this is what the magic teaches. Gratitude is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Part 3. Gratitude vocabulary. Natural, simple. Okay, quick vocabulary time. You used a word earlier, burden. What does it mean?
A burden is something heavy, not physically heavy, but emotionally heavy. Something that feels difficult or stressful.
Nice. Another word. Phase.
A phase is a temporary period of time, something that doesn't last forever.
And attitude?
Your attitude is your way of thinking, your mindset, your approach to life.
Perfect. Now let's continue the conversation. Part 4. Gratitude in daily life. You know what's interesting? Most people are grateful only when something big happens.
Yup, like when they get a promotion or when someone buys them a gift.
But gratitude works best when it's used on the daily, tiny things.
Like being thankful for your morning tea, or for the fresh air outside, or for that comfortable chair you're sitting on right now.
Or being grateful that your phone works because without it, you wouldn't be listening to this podcast.
Exactly. The magic teaches that life becomes softer and smoother when you think this way.
Part 5. Gratitude words and phrases. Useful English.
Let's do some phrases people can use.
Like gratitude expressions?
Yes. Simple ones first. I really appreciate it. Thank you, that means a lot. I'm thankful that I don't take this for granted.
And a more natural one. That was very kind of you.
And one I personally love. I'm lucky to have this.
These make you sound warm, polite, and confident in English. Part 6 Ampere's moment of reflection. Podcast mood.
Close your eyes for a moment. Think of one small thing today that made you smile.
Maybe it was a message from a friend. Maybe it was a good breakfast. Maybe it was the weather.
Whatever it was, say, thank you for that moment. Just one word, thank you. It changes your energy.
And if you're learning English, this mindset helps too. Because when you appreciate your progress, you improve faster.
Exactly. You stop being afraid of mistakes. You start enjoying the journey.
Part 7. How gratitude helps your English. People underestimate this, but gratitude actually helps language learning.
Oh, yes. When you're grateful, you feel calm. And when you're calm, your brain absorbs more.
And you stop comparing yourself to others. You start focusing on what you can do, not what you can't.
That's the real magic. Not the book. The mindset.
So that's it for today's gentle, magical episode.
If there's one thing to take away, it's this. Gratitude turns ordinary days into beautiful days.
Practice it every day, even for a minute.
And practice your English every day too, even for 5 minutes.
Thanks for spending your time with us.
Thank you for listening, thank you for learning, and thank you for being here.
See you in the next episode.